If you've already published your GoDaddy website and now need to make changes, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your GoDaddy website after publishing step by step so you can update text, swap images, adjust layouts, and republish your site with confidence. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go to your GoDaddy account and open your My Products page. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the Websites and Marketing section. This is where GoDaddy keeps the websites you've already created and published. Next to the website you want to update, click Manage. That will take you into the dashboard for that specific site. Now, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a blue Edit Website or Edit Site button. Click that to open the website editor. This is where all of your content changes will happen, even if your site is already live. Once the editor opens, you can start making changes right away. If you want to edit text, simply click directly on any text block. Highlight the existing words, delete them if needed, and type in your new text. This is the fastest way to update your homepage headline, about section, service details, or any other written content on your site. If you want to change an image, click on the image you want to replace. Then look at the panel on the right side of the screen and choose Change Image. From there, you can upload a new image or select one from your existing media library. This is perfect if you want to refresh your banner, product photos, or team pictures. You can also adjust your page layout and colors. Click on any section and you'll usually see tools that let you move things around with arrow options or open layout settings. In the right-hand panel, you can change section styles, spacing, and colors to better match your brand. This is useful if you want the page to feel cleaner, more modern, or more on brand. For bigger site-wide changes, use the Settings or Theme tabs in the top right area of the editor. That's where you can update global elements like your business phone number, fonts, and overall website theme. Changes here can affect multiple pages at once, so this is a great place to keep your branding consistent. Before you publish anything, always click Preview at the top right. Preview lets you see how your website looks on desktop and mobile, so you can catch spacing issues, broken layouts, or text that needs one last adjustment. Take a moment to review everything carefully. When you're happy with the way your edits look, click Publish. That pushes your changes live so your visitors can see the updated version of your website. And that's it. Now you know how to edit your GoDaddy website after publishing without starting over from scratch. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful website guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.